Liver cirrhosis is a serious medical condition affecting millions of people worldwide. It is a chronic and irreversible disease that occurs when healthy liver tissue is replaced with scar tissue, which gradually impairs the liver's ability to function properly. The causes of liver cirrhosis are numerous and varied, including alcohol abuse, viral hepatitis, and autoimmune diseases. While there is no cure for liver cirrhosis, there are treatments that can help manage symptoms and slow the progression of the disease. In this video, we will show you 10 foods that help manage liver cirrhosis. Before we continue with the list, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lab and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. Every subscriber is much appreciated. So, let's start. 10. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage that is known for its numerous health benefits. It contains a high concentration of antioxidants known as catechins, which can help protect the liver from damage. The most important catechin in green tea is called epigallocatechin 3 gallate, which has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that green tea can help improve liver function in patients with liver cirrhosis. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that patients with liver cirrhosis who drank green tea experienced a significant decrease in markers of liver damage, such as alanine transaminase and aspartate transaminase. Another study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology found that drinking green tea can help reduce the risk of liver cancer in patients with liver cirrhosis. Green tea is also known to have a protective effect against nonalcoholic fatty liver disease, which is a common condition that can lead to liver cirrhosis. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice with a long history of use in traditional medicine. Known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric has been used to treat a variety of conditions, including liver cirrhosis. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is a major factor in the development and progression of liver cirrhosis, so reducing inflammation in the body can help slow the progression of the disease and improve symptoms. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin has also been shown to have a protective effect on the liver. Studies have found that curcumin can help reduce oxidative stress in the liver, which can help prevent further damage and scarring. Turmeric has also been shown to have anti-fibrotic properties, meaning it can help reduce the buildup of scar tissue in the liver. Scar tissue is a major contributor to the development of cirrhosis, so reducing its formation can help slow the progression of the disease. 8. Apples. While there are various treatment options for liver cirrhosis, many people are turning to natural remedies to help manage the condition. One such remedy that has gained a lot of attention in recent years is the humble apple. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, that help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. These flavonoids also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the liver, which is a common symptom of liver cirrhosis. Additionally, apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that can help improve digestion and reduce the workload on the liver. Studies have shown that consuming apples can also lead to a decrease in the levels of liver enzymes, which are often elevated in those with liver cirrhosis. This suggests that apples may have a protective effect on the liver, helping to improve its function. Furthermore, apples are low in calories and can help with weight management, which is crucial for those with liver cirrhosis as excess weight can worsen the condition. 7. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most commonly used ingredients in cooking, and for good reason. Not only does it add flavor to dishes, but it also has many health benefits. One of these benefits is its ability to help manage liver cirrhosis. Garlic contains several compounds that are beneficial for the liver. One of them is allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Garlic also contains selenium, a mineral that is important for liver health. Selenium helps to protect the liver from oxidative stress and can help prevent the development of liver cancer. Additionally, garlic contains arginine, an amino acid that has been shown to improve liver function in people with cirrhosis. 6. Eggs. Recent studies have shown that eating eggs can be beneficial in managing liver cirrhosis. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food that contains high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. They are also a great source of choline, a nutrient that is vital for liver health. Choline helps in the production of a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which is responsible for controlling muscle movement, memory, and mood regulation. It also aids in the breakdown of fats in the liver and prevents their accumulation, which can cause liver damage. Moreover, Eggs are a rich source of amino acids that help in repairing liver cells damaged by liver cirrhosis. The amino acids in eggs are also essential for the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects the liver from damage caused by free radicals. 5. Olive oil. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can be a simple and effective way to support your liver health and manage the symptoms of cirrhosis. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that have been shown to have a positive impact on liver health. Studies have found that consuming olive oil can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver, which are key factors in the development and progression of liver cirrhosis. One of the main benefits of olive oil for managing liver cirrhosis is its ability to improve liver function. The liver plays a crucial role in processing and eliminating toxins from the body, and when it becomes damaged, it can't perform this job effectively. However, the healthy fats in olive oil can help protect liver cells from damage and improve their function, allowing the liver to more efficiently process and eliminate toxins. 4. Oranges. Oranges are a delicious and nutritious fruit that can offer a range of health benefits. Among these benefits, oranges can support the management of liver cirrhosis. Firstly, oranges are rich in antioxidants that can help protect your liver from damage. Antioxidants can help protect your liver from oxidative stress, which is a key factor in liver damage. Oranges contain high amounts of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help prevent liver damage. Oranges are rich in flavonoids, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds are crucial for protecting the liver from damage and reducing inflammation in the body. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that consuming flavonoid-rich foods like oranges can help to reduce the risk of developing liver cirrhosis. Furthermore, oranges are high in fiber, which can aid in digestion and help prevent constipation, a common symptom of liver cirrhosis. A healthy digestive system is essential for liver health, as the liver plays a key role in the digestion and absorption of nutrients. 3. Avocado. Avocado is nutrient-dense fruit that is rich in healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are a great addition to any diet, but especially for those with liver cirrhosis. Avocados are high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are considered healthy fats. These fats can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for those with liver cirrhosis. Inflammation can cause further damage to the liver, so reducing inflammation can help to prevent further damage. In addition to its nutritional benefits, avocado also contains several compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds, which include vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, and lutein, can help protect the liver from damage and promote healing. 2. Salmon. One of the key ways to manage liver cirrhosis is through a healthy diet, and one food that stands out for its liver benefits is salmon. Salmon is a delicious and nutritious fish that is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve liver function and reduce inflammation. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is also rich in protein, which is essential for repairing and rebuilding liver tissue. This is important because people with liver cirrhosis often have damaged liver tissue that needs to be repaired for the liver to function properly. Another benefit of eating salmon is that it is low in saturated fat and high in unsaturated fat. This is important because people with liver cirrhosis are at an increased risk of heart disease, and eating a diet that is low in saturated fat can help reduce this risk. 1. Berries. Berries are some of the tastiest and healthiest fruits available, and they also happen to be excellent for managing liver cirrhosis. Berries are loaded with antioxidants such as anthocyanins, flavonols, and vitamin C, which can help protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to inflammation and damage to liver cells. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help reduce inflammation and prevent further damage to the liver. Berries are also packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining optimal liver function. For example, they are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the structure of liver cells. They also contain vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting, and folate, which is essential for the production of new liver cells. In conclusion, liver cirrhosis is a complex and serious medical condition that has significant impacts on the health and well-being of individuals worldwide. While the causes of liver cirrhosis are diverse, prevention and early intervention are crucial in managing the disease and improving outcomes. With proper diet and attention, individuals with liver cirrhosis can live healthier and better lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.